Namaskar. Welcome to the fifth offering of Videovari. Human being is expected to live their life with highest of the potential. There is a question by many of the people, that is, why am I existing in this world? Or what is the purpose for which I have been born in this life or maybe in this universe? Whoever has been seeking this question or sought this question has become a great personality. There are certain names which are taken by the Varkaris or the people coming from the Bhagavad Sampradaya or Varkari Sampradaya, that is Nivrutti Jnandev Sopan Muktabai, Eknath Namdev Tukaram. These are the predominant names, maybe a founder, a propagator, or maybe enhancer of Varkari or Bhagavad Sampradaya. Today we are going to take this Vari with a very small step, and the step which is taken by Muktabai. Among the siblings, Nivrutti, Jnandev, Sopan and Muktabai. Muktabai is considered to be the youngest. She lived only a life of 18 years, and in this 18 years she has contributed not much as such in the saint literature or Santa Vangmay. She has contributed about 75 Abhanga. However, the incidences where these Abhangas have come in her life are important to notice. Once, Jnaneshwar went out in Alandi to seek alms or maybe bhiksha. He was abused and discriminated and pushed by the villagers and then did not give anything to him. He felt bad. He came home, that is in their small hut, and then he shut the door of the hut and he started weeping inside. It was small Muktabai who came and started talking and having conversation with Jnaneshwar. And this conversation of 11 Abhanga is called as Tatiche Abhanga. Here, small Muktabai gives understanding to Jnanadev that what is his potential. What kind of potential that Jnanadev has, and he can do much more than just sitting inside and weeping for the destiny or maybe the reaction which is given by the society or actions which are being given by society to him. There is another incident where Jnanadev or Jnaneshwar is furious. This incident took place in the similar condition where Jnanadev is being abused by the villagers and then not given their attention to Jnanadev, or maybe none of them have given him alms. He comes back home and he is furious, he is angry by the reaction which is given by the society. This time again Muktabai comes to him and makes him realize that the anger of her elder brother is so much and so much of potential that this anger can make something upside down, and controlling that anger, taking that inside and converting that anger into creativity, and he can create that kind of fire out of that anger which can cook variety of food. And that is what an incidence or maybe realization that Muktabai gives. Muktabai says that your anger has so much of fire that it can cook for the entire family. You can control this anger and bring that fire of the anger into creativity. And this is a metaphor of anger, fire and cooking. However, what Muktabai wants to talk to her elder brother is that he has enormous of potential and enormous of creativity that he is hiding behind, or maybe he is suppressing behind the anger. There is another incident where there is great Changdev who has taken penance for so many years. He has done tapasya for many years, and then he is with full of knowledge of darshan shastra, etc. And then he comes to Jnaneshwar, and he wants to write to Jnaneshwar that he wants to go ahead and meet Jnaneshwar. He sends him a blank paper. Jnaneshwar receives the blank paper, the letter, where there is nothing which is written. As a response, he gives about 65 verses, that is called as Changdev's Pasishti. However, Muktabai, when she sees the letter, she says, Changdev tar koracha korach rahila. That means Changdev has taken penance for so many years, but he is blank then and he is blank now also. She wants to talk about two aspects in her life. One is devotion and the other one is knowledge. Devotion without knowledge is of no use. Knowledge without devotion is also of no use. Namadev is considered to be a great devotee, or he had great devotion. Once he comes and then he is sitting there, Nivrutti, who is eldest among, touches the feet of Namadev. Jnanadev goes ahead and touches feet of Namadev. However, Muktabai doesn't go, and she observes that Namadev is not returning back the respect which has been given by Nivrutti and Jnanadev. She doesn't react in the same way which Nivrutti and Jnanadev have given. She doesn't touch the feet of Namadev. In fact, she makes him realize with her small little tongue that the devotion with an ego is of no use. Devotion with knowledge is important. As a reaction, Namadev says to Muktai, लाहरशी मुक्ताई जैसी सनकांडी बोले देशे धडी महान संत सगळेची काखेसी येई ब्रह्मांडू नामा मने पाखंड दिसे मज. He says this little small child has made realize their own potential and their own ignorance of the mind, and after seeing their ignorance and their ego, everyone is becoming pure and they are getting liberated. Such enormous potential that we can see in Muktabai and her life and her incidences. We will see one of her Abhanga. This Abhanga is recited for us by Vishal Ghatge. Let's listen this Abhanga.
मुंगी उडाली आकाशी तिने गिळिले सूर्याशी. मुंगी उडाली आकाशी तिने गिळिले सूर्याशी. थोर नवलाव झाला वांझे पुत्र प्रसवला. थोर नवलाव झाला वांझे पुत्र प्रसवला. विंचू पाताळाशी जाय शेष माथा वंदी पाय. माशी व्याली घार झाली देखोनी मुक्ताई हासली. माशी व्याली घार झाली देखोनी मुक्ताई हासली.
Entire life of Muktabai, I feel, has been dedicated to identify the motivational factors of other people. She has utilized both the ways of making someone realize or maybe motivating someone. There would be positive motivators, or there will be negative motivators, which she has utilized. As an example of negative motivation, she makes Namadev realize that his ego is a hindrance between his greatness, and then he needs to overcome this ego and he will become great. This is again a method of making someone understand and realize the highest potential. There are positive motivations which Muktabai has given, where a sad Jnanadev comes home and she makes him realize that this sadness or this anger or maybe anything which is negative into emotions can be converted into positivity and can make this whole thing wonderful, and you can create more things. And that is how we can see that Muktabai became a motivator not only in life of her elder brother Jnanadev, but she became a motivator in the life of Sanghadev. She became a motivator in the life of Namadev, and that's also in the short life of 18 years. Muktabai says to her brother, Shabda Shastre Zhali Klesha Santi Manavacha Upadesha. People might abuse you. People would talk bad to you. People are going to give you bad words. These bad words are going to pine or maybe give pain to your mind. But a person who is highly motivated or maybe who is highly engaged for the purpose will always consider that as a preaching and that as a guidance, and person will create bigger things in the life. She further says, Vishwarage Zhale Bandhi, Santa Sukhe Bhave Pani. This whole world might become a jungle fire. That's okay. However, the people with great wisdom and great mind will act like water against this jungle fire. Such beautiful way she has dedicated her life for motivating others. She is considered to be dyed in lightning. Lightning is a light in the sky which is a momentary, which is for short life, but it gives light to the entire space. In the same way, Muktabai was light in the space of saint community. We have to find out that small lightning in our life, where we can see the hidden creativity can be taken to the next level, where we can see what is the purpose of my life, where we can ask ourselves that what is my small Muktai telling to me, and I have to progress in the life. Let us identify that small Muktai within our mind. Ramakrishna Hari.